for me to restore it to the original, it would have been, it wouldn't have been pretty. It wouldn't have been nice. It wouldn't. You understand what I'm saying? Because we would have had to, take out the drywall and repaint. So, part of it is, in hindsight, 2020, I didn't know what I didn't know. And so I wouldn't necessarily go ask anybody to go down that route. All right. All right. So before I move to my next segment, any questions, any comments, any connections?
Yeah, I guess on that particular note, Earl, if there was an opportunity there, I know you're not looking at them now, but where the conversion made sense, I guess the upfront thing to do when checking with the landlord to make sure that it would be all right to add that extra room would be to get a clause in there that states, once agreed upon, that this is acceptable, he will be he would accept that as the once you're done with the property as a new alternative.
Right.
And yeah, I would have got a clause put in there of that. But I know in some of those particular cases, it actually requires a building permit